how to turn on or off timer on Snapchat. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Snapchat applications. After that, here you will see add icon on the right side of your screen. Tap on it. After that, tap on timer and go to the camera and tap on it. So here you can see as the timer has been set. Now you can also set the timer second as per you wish to, and you can just simply drag this and tap on set timer. So that's all, and you can disable the timer by simply tapping on the timer options, and the timer has been disabled. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.